Welcome, dear students. This is the English department. This is the activity for the week. Optative English, Thesis, Week 1. First of all, you need to know that this time you will work individually, so you will have to do your research on your own. Write the name here, the date May 11th to 15th, and here you have the group. The objectives for this week are the following: to define a topic for a research project, to write justifications for a research project. Activities. Number 1. Write the topic you chose for the thesis. Number 2. Write 5 justifications. These are the reasons you chose the topic. Thanks for your attention, and don't forget to stay at home and wash your hands. See you next time.